Ang labi ng amo. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you yung bubble tea. Yun amoy buwan.
No, this is a different one. This is bubble tea. So, let's see if you're gonna like it. Don't smell it. Don't smell it.
I will not.
Okay.
Let's ito na.
Ano lasa? Ano lasa?
Not good.
Tastes like what?
Nothing. I don't know what to show you today.
Why?
Because
Because it's what?
why it's a new ball? Tado.
It's durian. Anong lasa?
It is a lap.
Hindi sarap.
Kabayan bubble tea na yan.
But you're gonna like durian.
But then, just on your dice, hindi salap. I thought this one is avocado.
Sorry, it's durian.
Is the you?